friends! Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Lately, I've been a little bit busy, as you've seen from the multitasking motivational minutes lately, where I've been doing my laundry and filming, putting away groceries, etc. So with this busyness, I haven't been writing every single moment of the day, and I think that's okay. What I have been doing instead is letting myself daydream a ton. I've been missing my characters. I've been wanting to hang out with them and get back to my story. So I feel like the moments when I do sit down and write, because I've been thinking and dreaming and having conversations with them in my head, it feels so good when I sit down to write. The point I wanted to make is let yourself daydream, stare out of windows and think about your characters. Imagine what they might be doing right now, what they'd be doing in the scenarios that you have been having the last couple of weeks. So what I'm doing is sitting down with my day planner, making sure I carve out at least 30 minutes a day to start writing and hang out with these characters that I miss so much, whether it is 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or a glorious hour. See where you can carve in your writing this week, and I will see you next time. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below, and I will see you soon. Bye, everyone!